Hello guys! In this tutorial I will show you how to create a glow in the dark effect using Photoshop. So let's get started. First step, go to the layers panel and adjust brightness and contrast from there. Set the brightness to the lowest and contrast to the highest to create a dark mode. Also adjust the hue and saturation, creating a new adjustment layer. Now set the levels as you like. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate our background layer. Then drag this layer to the top and rename it. Now using the pen tool, draw the outlines of the two bottles in our picture. When the outlines are complete, press Ctrl+Enter and then add a layer mask. Now right click this layer and convert it to Smart Object. Go to the image panel, select Adjustments and Invert. Now adjust the hue and saturation from the image panel as you like. To create a glow effect of the bottles, we will apply Gaussian blur on this layer. Now select the top layer, while holding Shift, click the layer below and group them by pressing Ctrl+G. Create a new layer, and to add glow around the glowing bottles, we will use the brush tool. Set this layer's blending mode to overlay and then add another layer and set that layer's blending mode to color dodge. As the final step, you can add a new adjustment layer and set the hue and saturation as you like.